Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to contact Facebook support. It's simple. First of all, you need to log in your account into the Facebook mobile app. Simply press on menu bar. Here you can see report a problem like in help and support. Under the help and support you can simply see the report a problem. Press on that. You have two options. One, you can go on that page and simply shake your phone and automatically report center or support center will just contact with you. Another option is that you can simply press on continue to report a problem. And now here you can see the creating report. Press on that. You can simply report in which kind of issue you are facing now, or in which category you are facing that issue. Simply select the category and write your report, write your issue here, and simply press on this button, and you will simply send this report to customer support or Facebook support. That's it. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.